First, we need to extract the zip file. So for that, right click on the zip file and select extract here. This will create a new folder with the name AeroLeads Pro. Now go to Google Chrome and click on the extensions tab on the top right. From here, select manage extensions. Now make sure that the developer mode is turned on in this page. Once the developer mode is turned on, you will see a new button that says load unpacked. Click on this button and navigate to the directory where the AeroLeads Pro folder was extracted and select this folder. Now you will see that the extension has been installed. All we need to do now is to pin it to our address bar. Now let's test this on the LinkedIn search page. For this, we need to first open a new window. We can either press Ctrl N on our keyboard or right click on the Google Chrome icon and select new window. Now navigate to linkedin.com. Now let's search for something. We can add filters to this search, but we need to make sure that we are on the people page. From here, you can click on the extension. I'll create a new list first to keep my prospects organized. Now all you need to do is click on the Start Auto Saving button and all the available prospects will be added to your list. By default, our extension collects all the available results in all the available pages, which can take a while. So meanwhile, you can work on other things and open other windows. For this, you can either press Alt plus Tab on your keyboard or use the taskbar in the bottom. Just make sure that the window in which the search results are being displayed is not minimized and the pop-up is not closed. To manually stop the process, you can click on the stop button at the top. In order to see the list, you can click on the link for the list on the top of the extension and you can see the newly added prospects there. Now let's use the extension on the LinkedIn Sales Nav page. For this, I'll first reset the list by clicking on the reset button. Then I'll navigate to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator page. Now let's search for something. Following the exact same process as before, I'll first create a new list to keep my prospects organized, and then I'll click on the Start Auto Saving button, and the AeroLeads extension will automatically collect all available results from all the available pages and put them onto my list.